here we are in a fire truck from IBA where Victorinox is based actually. Victorinox, you know, the very famous brand that makes Swiss Army knives, but it is also a brand that makes watches. They just launched this new watch. This new watch is the I.N.O.X model. It has been specially designed to be the most solid and resistant on the market today. And some benefit of this watch will go to support the firemen from IBA, but also from New York through the FDNY Foundation. It means the fire department of New York. This is the link because this watch is based mostly on American Army standards to resist really very high altitude, very intense heat. For instance, it can resist to 1 minute in a heat of 1200 Celsius degrees. I hope that you got a few information about this watch already, and let's continue this little drive.